How to reset T-Mobile home internet. Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly reset your T-Mobile home internet to fix connection issues or improve performance. Step 1. Power off your gateway. Locate your T-Mobile home internet gateway device. Press the power button to turn it off, or simply unplug it from the power source. Step 2. Wait for 30 seconds. Give it about 30 seconds to clear any temporary glitches. Step 3. Power it back on. Plug the gateway back in or press the power button again. Wait for the device to fully restart. This can take a couple of minutes. Step 4. Check your connection. Once restarted, check if your internet connection is working properly on your devices. If it's still slow or not working, try moving the gateway to a better location or contact T-Mobile support. Bonus tip. You can also reset your gateway to factory settings by pressing the reset button, usually a small hole, with a paperclip for about 10 seconds. This will erase all your custom settings. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.